Blessings, people. Big up on yourself. Zine. And you know me I go talk about her now, right now. Because from the other day, you know, me even go deep into that topic, you know. You understand? Because I was right on the scene and I really go on a full thing I go on, you know, people. And this lawyer girl now, Zine. Because she passed away now almost 2 weeks now, and you know what I mean, I decide to go now look a breakdown to the whole of this thing, what really go on and what really happened, what took place in this thing. Zine, because many people out there, them talk and you know what I mean, a lot of things to be seen, a lot of things to be hearing. Some say the mother did the target, some say it's a case she have, some say this, but nobody knows the fullest of what go on. Zine, but the fullest when you willing can say is this was a target killing. You know what I mean? Them plan this thing, and it don't work by one person who plan this thing. This plan are organized by different people. You get me as a people? Because to what them say up now, people, this lady, you understand, Miss Fairclough, who passed away, you understand, she and her mother was coming from Kingston side. You get me? Them a drive along, you know. And when them reach, go through the lane to reach them house, is a walk foot man come up to them. You get me as a people? Them say one was not driver or nothing. Come up to them and I saw him fire the thing and hit them in the vehicle. You get me? They rushed the two of them to hospital where the daughter succumbed and the mother was treated. So in the end now, people, the walk foot man have to get the information them say the people them they at such and such destination. Them have to get the information say them will leave up this at the time. So when I check out the whole thing, people, this thing a plan from a different set of money, you know. I like so, even woman too. Seeing this thing a plan from way back up this and I come right down. And in the end, people, enough people are gonna say yo, and a level say, I did it. That mother them want. When I check it out, people, are the two of them want. Mama is lucky. The thing is, the man is a walk foot man that's close to the town of Ochi. So when them comes a boom and then burst it up this and now, people, only thing could have happened now is that guy, when I check it out, you know, him just do it quick, bam, 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 and move. In the end, you might expect maybe the two of them are gonna go, but unfortunately, you know what I mean? And the great thing, you know what I mean? One go, which is really sad, which is really terrible, and we send out our condolences to the family them and everything already. But me are telling these people, this thing I was really planned. You get me? I say, and you know, I can't say yo, it's a case them have a deal with because I get that information there. I can't say it's a relationship problem. I can't say some money get robbed up. I can't say nothing. But I know that this lady, she was employed to a law firm down in Montego Bay there. That's where she was working with a law firm there. You get me, I say? And it's a young, beautiful, nice lady. Her mother, them say she was the former owner of the Shell gas station down in the Ocherest, then or the former operator. You know what I mean? So, we just don't know. But all I can say is this thing was planned and it was deal with the way how them wanted to do. You know what I mean? I tell the people, it's terrible. You know, and that's why I decided I really need to talk over that stinger because it's really terrible to see the state of how things is really going. You know what I mean? Beautiful soul has been lost in a them type of way they wish, yo, John no star. You know how much years it take people to study to be a lawyer, a doctor, a teacher, all of them something there. And for no say, yo, you come and you live a dream now, you're a lawyer or anything like that. And get me? Wow. But in this world, you really have to be careful. You know what I mean? Some people are going to say the job you choose, you have to be careful. But any job you choose, anything can happen to you because the art of mankind is so different now. You know what I mean? It's not like the art with them did that before, you know, when man did do things and walk over it and bypass it and make it go on, you know. Them are dealing with it right now. And them things are the only way out to settle this thing is by knocking you out and slap you away. That are the way the man them are solve the thing right now. But every day we ask the them say, yo, make a change the man, make a difference the man, put down that something that the man make, you know what I mean? But who knows? John know it have happened. So viewers and subscribers, I don't know the thing. This is Newlink from Newlink Production. And we say attack. I don't know people. Newlink going to the news at its best. Don't know. Subscribe. Make sure you do it now. Attack them Newlink. Remember, check out the Newlink t-shirt them, you know. Check the link below and order your shirt them. The hoodie them bad. Check them out people. Attack.